Hello, today I will show you how to make next two rounds of a blooming joy blanket. I will use this color and next two rounds will be in the same color. So slip knot, do it any way you prefer. We will start our round with standing front post single crochet around any fifth cluster. So we have 10 clusters in total and we need to find the fifth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with it. And now we need to make standing front post single crochet. We already have hook on loop on our hook, so insert your hook from front to back, from back to front around this cluster, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this is our standing front post single crochet. In chain 1 space 3 single crochet, so 1, 2, 3. Front post single crochet around next cluster. And now we'll be repeating up until the end of this petal the same repeat. In chain 1 space 2 single crochet and front post single crochet around cluster. One more time, 2 single crochet and front post single crochet around next cluster. One more time, 2 single crochet and front post single crochet around next cluster, and in the last chain 1 space 2 single crochet, and now front post single crochet around next 3 stitches, cluster, half double crochet and next cluster. So front post single crochet around 1, front post single crochet around 2, and front post single crochet around third loop, which is our first cluster of 10 clusters group with chain 1 in between. And now we'll be repeating the same short repeat like we had here. In chain 1 space 2 single crochet and front post single crochet around next stitch. One more time, 2 single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next stitch. One more time, 2 single crochet in chain 1 space and front post single crochet around next cluster. And now one more time, 2 single crochet in chain 1 space and front post single crochet around next cluster, and our next cluster is our fifth one, the one around which we started with round. So this is actually our repeat. As you can see, in first chain 1 space of our repeat we made 3 single crochet, and in all following we made only 2 single crochet. So just to easier to do it, you need to remember you need to do 3 single crochet in chain 1 space, which is in the middle. So between 5 we have 10 clusters in total, so the space which is in the middle between 5th and 6th clusters, and in all other chain 1 spaces you need to do only 2 single crochet. So really easy to remember. Okay, I will show you one more time how to do this repeat. So this is our 1 2 3 4 5 5th cluster, so, and this is our 6th cluster, so this is our top middle chain 1 space. So in it we'll doing our 3 single crochet. So 1 2 3 and front post single crochet around cluster. And now we have to do 2 single crochet in all chain 1 spaces and front post single crochet around all clusters. So let's do it. 2 single crochet in chain 1 space and front post single crochet around cluster. 2 single crochet in chain 1 and front post single crochet around cluster. 2 single crochet in chain 1 space and front post single crochet around clusters, and one more time 2 single crochet in chain 1 space, and now we have our last cluster. So front post single crochet around cluster, front post single crochet around half double crochet, and front post single crochet around next cluster, the first one of the petal. And now chain 2 in chain 1 space 2 single crochet, front post single crochet around next cluster. 2 single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next cluster. 2 single crochet around two single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next cluster, and one more time 2 single crochet in chain 1 space, front post single crochet around next cluster, the fifth one. So this I'll repeat done twice, and as you can see here in the middle you have 3 single crochet, and in all our chain 1 spaces you have only 2, and front post single crochet around all our stitches of previous round. Really easy round. So continue around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round, and I'm doing 2 single crochet in chain 1 spaces and front post single crochet around all clusters. This is last front post single crochet, and 2 single crochet in chain 1 space, and now I need to join 2 standing front post single crochet with a slip stitch. So we saw standing front post single crochet, top loop, insert your hook and slip stitch, and that's it for round 12, like this. And now we can work on round 13. Okay, round 13. So for round 13, chain 1, this chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch, single crochet in same stitch, same front post single crochet. Now single crochet in next 9 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In next stitch is our front post single crochet made around half double crochet. So in this stitch 2 treble crochet, so yarn over twice and make treble crochet 1 and 2 treble crochet in this stitch. Okay, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and single crochet in next 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like this. And as you can see, they ended up in front post single crochet made around 5th cluster. So this is repeat for this round. Let's do it one more time. So single crochet next 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip next 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 treble crochet in next stitch. Next stitch is our front post single crochet made around half double crochet. So 2 treble crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip next 7 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and single crochet in next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we ended up in front post single crochet made around 5th cluster. Here's your repeat made twice. To be easier to work and not to count too much, if you basically doing single crochet in all stitches at the top, starting single crochet after front post single crochet made around after around the 3rd cluster. So here's 1, 2, 3, and front post single crochet yarn, and ending just before front post single crochet made around 1, 2, 3, 3rd cluster from this side. So this is much easier, I believe, to make and not to count 1, 2, 3 all around. If it is easier for you to count, you can count, but just, and you always have 7 stitches here, and your trebles fall over this in front post single crochet over this half double crochet. So continue around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, so this is my last treble crochet and last chain free space and last single crochet stitches. So 1, 2, like this, and now I need to join to a first single crochet with a slip stitch like this, and chain 1 and cut your yarn, because next round will be in another color. Okay, but today's rounds are done, and shortly our blanket will hardly fit into screen. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.